31 ishize, discipline, kwitanga, vision, indangagaciro byafashije igihugu kwiyubaka. Musobanura mute impamvu iyo bigeze kuri sport biba ikibazo? Murakoze.
Sinzi niba ari siporo gusa, ariko siporo iyo ubundi siporo ni warebamo ibintu nka 2 cyangwa 3. Icya mbere, agaciro biha nakaye. What do you want to give? What value? Agaciro biha siporo nakaye. Icya kabiri, witegura ute? Witeguye ute kugira ngo ku gaciro kabeho cyangwa se gakure kazamuke? Mu rurimi rw'icyongereza ni organization. How do you organize to do that? Icya gatatu ni talent. Ubona mu bantu kuba badafite talent, you can't blame them. If I have no talent for football, really, don't blame me. It's not my fault. So icya mbere ni agaciro biha. Icya kabiri, ubigenza ute? Ushyira hamwe ibikorwa n'ibitekerezo gute kugira ngo bizamure ka gaciro, noneho abantu bafite ubushobozi, ubumenyi, ibyo bavukanye bibaha. Ibyo rero nko mu gihugu nkatwe, tugashyiraho minisiteri ya siporo cyangwa za siporo zitandukanye, federation zazo zishyira hamwe n'iki. Iyo ni organization itameze neza, ni ikibazo. Ikindi, umuco, buryo umuco mujye muha agaciro, umuco ufite agaciro. Umuco mvuga ni iki? Hari n'abantu baba bazi umupira, cyangwa hari na organization ihari, cyangwa abayobora nabo barahari, ariko umuco bafite ndahoraga mbivuga, najyaga mbivuga ku mugaragaro, ugasanga abakinnyi b'umupira aho kugira ngo bakine rwose bashyireho umwete n'umutima ubishaka n'iki, bagatangira gutekereza utuntu bashyira mu izamu kugira ngo iyo wagiyeho ibintu byose uba bikubye na 0. Nuriya munyezamu ushatse ntiwamushyiramo, kandi niba wizeye twa tuntu wadushyizemo ukamwihorera, urashyiramo wiki. Ibyo rero bigera no ku bantu, ni kamere y'abantu, ntabwo mfite ukuntu nabisobanura bihagije. Impamvu umuntu yemera iki undi atemera iki, cyangwa rimwe na rimwe no kwemera ikintu ubundi ku buryo busanzwe umuntu akwiye kuba abona ko nta kintu kirimo, ariko umuntu akabyemera. Cyangwa se waba utemeye ibyo, ugatekereza ukuntu ariko uzasifura ninde, turebe uko tumugenza kugira ngo ejo azatubere. Iyo wagiye muri ibyo na talent wari ufite n'ibindi byose, ariko ubundi umukino, siporo kugira ngo itere imbere, ukora biriya bintu nakoze nakubwiye, ariko none ukanavuga uti okay, siporo habamo gutsinda, habamo gutsindwa, kandi muri uko gutsinda no gutsindwa harimo gutera imbere. Ni ukuvuga ngo wagerageje, wakoze ibyo washobora gukora, ahubwo niba wanatsinzwe wavanyemo isomo rivuga ngo ariko urabizi icyo nazize ni iki nakibonye umukinnyi nakinishije aho atagomba gukina cyangwa iyo nzana mundi igihe bikagera bitya ibyo ngibyo akaba ari byo rero iyo watsinzwe uvanamo isomo ntabwo ugenda ngo wiyahure kubera ko watsinzwe imikino yose ntawe udatsindwa ngira ngo murabibona n'abazwi ku isi bihanganye muri za siporo zitandukanye haba igihe ibintu byabagendekeye nabi nk'abo nk'abantu ariko noneho ni timu ariko ni ibintu bihoraho rero bihoraho noneho on average umuntu akavuga ati ariko urareba timu iratera imbere cyangwa kanaka aratera imbere nawe bituruka mu itimu cyangwa mu muntu utagiye mu bintu bigwe ugiye mu bapfumu ugiye mu gushaka ko watugira abantu cyangwa hari ibindi bibi bakora ntabwirwa mvuga kugira ngo ajye mu kibuga yacitse intege adashobora gukina adashobora no guhagarara wamuvangiye imiti iyo byagiyemo aho so ndibwira rero ko aho tugeze hari abantu benshi abanyarwanda bafite muri bo talent kumenya muri siporo zitandukanye twashakisha rero ahantu hose ariko byose bishingira kuba ubanza kwemera uwo uri we ahubwo ushakisha gusa ibyo ubona hanze utihereyeho ngo ubanze uvuge utari ko nabigeraho nkanjye kuko mfite uko nteye n'undi uko ateye bitandukanye ariko nk'igihugu dufite abantu timu yacu iteye itya twayishakira iki twagera gute ndibwira ko bishoboka ariko ntabwo ari ibintu byizana gusa ngo bibe abantu batatekereje ko babigenza.
Thank you, sir. Munyaneza, hanyuma Jado.
Thank you so much, Mr. President. My name is James Munyaneza. I work with the New Times, and I want to pivot to international matters. Recent developments, different dynamics globally suggest a shifting, or rather changing world order. Do you see a situation where we are potentially moving into a more multipolar world, and what does this mean for Africa, of course, and for Rwanda? Do you think we are ready? Yeah.
Well, whether we are ready or not, we should be ready. Because even if I tell you, yes, I'm seeing it coming, well, it may not come. But you should always be prepared for what if it were to come, actually. Suppose I even made a mistake in my analysis and assumed it's not coming. Why should I not be actually prepared if I found I made a mistake and actually it came? But what you are saying, as I see, like many other people see it, the world order will always change. It won't remain the same forever. There will be one form of world order today, there will be another tomorrow, or another maybe 10 years after, or 20, or doesn't matter. It depends on many, many things. As we see, we should be educated by what we see. But it also originates from, maybe it's important when you say Rwanda or Africa, it originates from the politics, global politics or geopolitics, how it values things. You know, people will tell you interests. Okay, how do you value your interests? If you are powerful and you have interests, that's fine. But how do you achieve interests? Do you achieve your interests by ignoring other people's interests? Or you value your interests, and in achieving them, you're also at the back of your mind saying you are not alone in this world. Maybe as you pursue your interests, it is important to be thinking about others' interests. So that maybe you find a common ground, you are together, you even form alliance, or you do this. But it comes out from saying, yes, my interest, but your interest also. And very often we are going to find that people, or even countries, make mistakes, especially the powerful ones. Sometimes they think they will achieve their interests anyway, whether they consider yours or not. And sometimes somebody will come and say, no, for me, I'm powerful enough, I pursue my interests, and that's it. So I come to you, I say, I want this, don't do it, I blow you away. Well, that may work sometimes. Other times, it has certain limitations. It works only for a certain time. Because there are other forces, there are other powerful groups. But even the least powerful, like us, for us, we don't even come on the list of powerful. But there are certain things, even with my insignificance, you can't force me to do. I said it earlier. There is no power that would come and say, you know what, you must accept FDLR. That one, then I tell you, okay, look for what you're going to do to me, because you are sure I'm not going to accept them. So the multiplicity of this happening here, there, of this, these differences and how to sort them out, and the agreements, the disagreements, keep forming the world order of the day, of the time, globally. Is how do these merging powers behave? How do they behave towards others? Because you have also seen there are times when they move together, reach a point, and then they even have divide among themselves. It's like maybe they discover one of the allies either is taking them for granted, or is cheating them, or is minding only their own business and not yours. So it creates a difference. But that also creates other formations of alliances. If somebody may have to say, if I can't get what I wanted here because somebody doesn't care about me, how about teaming with the other one and actually together put together our strength and also get what we want? So it's very fluid, it's very dynamic, and it works only for a certain period, and as we have seen. But you can see it coming, you can smell it. People can ignore it, because again, once people are powerful, they really start becoming insensitive to certain things. They think they are the only ones who matter, the rest don't. and that is when things start happening even before they realize. Now, but the most important part of your question, Rwanda, Africa, it's going to be difficult for me to explain, because Africa, where we are, is not where we should be. And even more challenging to understand is we have everything to be where we want to be, except ourselves. We somehow we are not there to deliver on what we already have in our hands to be transformed into what we should be. We are absent somehow. I can't explain that. I have no medicine for it. On a smaller scale, therefore, talking about Rwanda, I think you'll never find us not trying. At least we are trying within our limited means and resources to be where we want to be. We are on a journey to being what we should be within that limited space. And if we can work with other African countries, and we try, we can move a needle towards that objective. But it wants more people doing what they might be wanting to do, what we need to do. The more we are together doing what we should do, the more likelihood we get there or get there faster. Yeah, that's how it is.
Thank you. Excellent.